Good morning, dear students. Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum I have completed, and now we will discuss about the multiple choice question from chapter 5. Coal and petroleum. First one is the multiple choice questions, MCQ. First is the which one is not a fossil fuel. First one is the which one is not a fossil fuel. Answer is the biogas. Second, which one is second one is the which one is an inexhaustible natural resource. Answer is the sunlight. Slow conversion of wood into coal. Third one, slow conversion of wood into coal by biochemical process extending over millions of years is called. Third one is the slow conversion of wood into coal by biochemical process extending over millions of years is called carbonization of wood. Carbonization of wood. Fourth one, LPG is the mixture of butane, propane and ethane. Butane, propane and ethane. Butane, propane and ethane. Fifth one is the petrochemicals are used for making both A and B, means artificial fibers and plastics, and detergents and insecticides. Both A and B. Sixth one, coal was formed when huge forests were buried. In this, all of above. All the above. Fourth option, all the above. 7. The bodies of dead animals decayed in the absence of air under very high pressure, temperature and pressure of the earth. The product of decay were petroleum and natural gas, which got trapped between the two layers of impervious rocks, forming both A and B. Both A and B. Eighth one, the natural gas always collects above the petroleum under high pressure in the dome-shaped impervious rock called, that is the rock cap. Answer is the rock cap. Next, the slow conversion of wood into coal by a biochemical process extending over millions of years is called carbonization. That is called the carbonization. Carbonization. 10. Petroleum is a both A and B, means fossil fuel and dark colored, viscous and foul smelling liquid. Petroleum is a both A and B. Both B. This is the multiple choice questions. Answer is given here. First one is the biogas, second one is the sunlight, third one is the carbonization of wood, fourth one butane, propane and ethane, fifth one both A and B. Option is the both A and B. Sixth one all the above. 7 both A and B. 8 rock cap. 9 carbonization and 10 both A and B. This is all about multiple choice questions. Second one is the fill in the blanks by choosing words from the list given below. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one. Peat is the dash variety of coal. Peat is the youngest variety of coal. Peat is the youngest variety of coal. Second, residue left after the destructive distillation of coal tar is called pitch. Is called pitch. Third one, natural gas mainly consists of dash gas, that is the methane gas. In an oil well, the dash gas always collects above petroleum, natural. Fifth, dash is used in the extraction of metals such as iron, copper, etc. Coke. Fill in the blanks. First one youngest, second one pitch, third one methane and fourth one natural, fifth one coke. Now come to the statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. I will write the correct statements. Third one, statements. Statements. First one is the coal is a renewable fuel. You have to write coal is a non-renewable fuel. Coal is a non-renewable fuel. Second one, during carbonization, the fossil of living beings change into petroleum, change into the coal. During carbonization, carbonization, the fossils of living beings change into into coal. Third one, petroleum gas always collects below the petroleum in an oil well. Petroleum gas always collects above the petroleum in the oil well. Petroleum gas always collects above the petroleum in an oil well. Fourth one, petrochemicals are used in making natural fibers. Petrochemicals are used in making artificial fibers. Petrochemicals are used in making artificial fiber. Fifth one is the coal gas is obtained by the fractional distillation of coal. Coal gas is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. Fifth one is the coal gas is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. Distillation of coal. Destructive distillation of coal. So this is the statements, wrong statements given, and you have to write the correct statements. First one is the coal is a non-renewable fuel. Second one is the during carbonization, the fossil of living beings change into coal. Third one, petroleum gas always collects above the petroleum in an oil well. Fourth one, petrochemicals are used in making artificial fiber. And fifth one, coal gas is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. Till here you have to write in your JSC copy.